Right now, something strange is happening in the stock market. Stocks are near all-time highs, but smart investors are getting nervous. Some are quietly pulling their money out, while beginners are rushing in. So the big question is, are we heading toward the next market crash, or is this the biggest opportunity of the decade in the next few minutes? I'll show you the truth and what you should do before it's too late. Let's start with reality. The stock market in 2026 looks strong. Prices are going up and companies are making profits. And everywhere you look, yet people are saying, invest now or you'll miss out. But here's the problem. Like when everyone feels confident, and that's exactly when danger begins. We've seen this before. In 2008, and every time the signs were there, most people just ignored them. Now let's talk about the warning signs. First, stocks are expensive. Many companies are priced way higher than what they actually earn, which means people are paying more. Second, the AI hype. Right now, anything related to AI is exploding. Everyone is investing in it, but here's the truth, that not every AI company will survive. We've seen this story before during the dot-com bubble, and it didn't end well.